Back to my crazy channel. Let me tell you something. I came to the grocery store because there's supposed to be a heavy snowstorm coming my way, and this grocery store is packed. Over there's a huge ass argument, and I don't know if I came on the right day because this crazy. There's hardly no food here, guys. It's like super packed, and they arguing over there. They arguing. I got some chicken, some beans, sausages, and milk. Can't live without my half and half. This is absolutely insane. People are not respectful at all, especially with their elderlies. A couple cans of corn. I don't eat this, but my grandkids love this. The argument died down. I come to this grocery store, there is always action. Some beans. It's like empty. Second store, Walmart, for the rest of the groceries. This time I came with the husband. Yeah. Babe, how you feel about this stop? Got any words to the people that are freaking out? So for today's vlog, you guys, I went to Price Rite and Walmart with my husband, and today's total in grocery was $552. That's for a family of 8. He's over today, right, babe?
I'm over everything.
See you guys next time.